Ugh. They've got major bed head. That was our first night in our camping setup. I'm not gonna lie, we have a whole blow-up mattress and pillows. No, it was very cold though. I was freezing. I had to put on extra layers. Like, very cold. It was cold, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Leave no traces.
Cut the nostril! Woo!
In 43 kilometers, you will arrive at
There's a sign that says you're on Cut the nostril.
You're not gonna find it.
It'll be one of those, I guess. But we made it. We're on the Carretera Astra, which means South Road. Does it?
means what?
Southern Road, Southern Highway.
I thought Astral meant like astral. Like an astral plane.
I think that's named after the Southern Plains. So it begins. Maybe even a couple like deposit logs.
Deposit logs?
As in like for when we parked up and there's just no good wood around.
Just have some logs
Oh,
in the car.
like safety logs in the car.
What I had on is that. And then I've got a very similar master.
Oh yeah.
Little bit of mountain sticking out.
He looks like he's from South Park.
You talk.
He's asking.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, free money! And a ring.
Destination. Woo! Hello, little horse. Such an interesting landscape to lead up to a beach. Oh my god, these horse flies. They just need. They are so annoying. Oh my gosh. Sorry, team.
A little cold. Whoa! It's the reaching down bit that I hate so much.
Actually, tea.
Like do the one drink.
Interesting. Water.
Wow! Wow!
Wait till Lois sees this. Wow. Who doesn't love a good water feature, huh? Feeling pretty epic. Even in the rain, it just makes it all the more raw and emotional. Look at that. Yeah, I'll have a fried egg, toast, medium rare.
Ceviche, breaded shrimp, something else, chips, rice.
Look at this. On a ferry.
It'd be really nice to just navigate this coast with a canoe or a kayak.
So sick. This is vlog section. You're seeing another vlog inside this vlog.
Making the morning eggs.
Nice. On our brand new white portable gas cooker in this kind of scenery. If you look way off in the distance, you can see a volcano with some smoke coming off it just there. This is where we slept, and this is the whip. So a little introduction to the next clip. We're now driving to a place called Chaiten in Chile, which is famous for an earthquake in 2008, which completely decimated the city. Whoa. Genuine aftermath of a volcanic eruption.
I can't see it.
Wow. Chaiten Museum, check it out. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. What? What? Oh my god, there's too many places to look. Look at these views. Ridiculous. Wow. Look at the mountain, the glacier, the clear water.
Oh, one more than last time.
Right. This is the first rock to be skimmed. We're going for 5. Ooh.
Does it even count if it's 2?
What? Yeah, I'm not sure 2 counts.
Because the first one, it just bounces off the water because it's natural.
Going for at least 3. Oh!
That was 3.
Going for 12, world record. Oh!
I can't skip.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey! 1. On our way to some saltwater thermal springs.
I'm gonna put my tea here. Stay. Are you ready yet?
Right. Ready? You see me? Hello. 3, 2, 1. It's a goal. You're not going on a goal. Oh, we go again. Oh.
What? Where'd they go?
Where have they just gone? The camera shot. Wow.
They're so tiny.
No, after watching the dolphins. Pop for the dolphins.
Yeah.
Half their brain.
Yeah.
What a start to the day, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. So that is the sea, right?
Yeah, I think that river is the one we tried to camp on.
Yeah.
Couldn't find a spot. Yeah, looking for bugs.
We are nearly making it to the hanging glacier. Just alone sounds incredible, but it also has got a really cool view of the lake down below and some amazing mountains and waterfalls. So it's been a pretty steep climb, about 3 kilometers, but we're making it. We've made it. Wow! Whoa! Wow. That is crazy.
What is that? Oh.
Waterfall, Mad Rock, Lake, Glacier.
The sound. I heard that earlier and I didn't know what it was. Whoa.
Whoa!
More.
More!
Maybe if we clap hard enough it will happen again.
Lisa, stop that racket! Wow!
Rainbow. Mountains.
Mountain!
I think that's Sierra Castillo.
The old Simpsons reference there. Alaska. Alright. Just Glenn living it. Jeez! I think that's just burned some of my eyebrows off. I'm smelling. Whoa!
What is that smell?
It's whiskey, babe. Have a little twig.
Oh, it smells like apples.
Don't taste like apple, Joel.
Guess me this riddle. What beats piping fiddle? What's hotter than mustard and milder than cream? What bets plus your whistle? What's clearer than crystal? What's sweeter than honey and stronger than steam? What can make the dumb talk? What can make the lame walk? What's the elixir of life and philosopher's stone? And what helped Mr. Brunel to dig the Thames Tunnel? Sure wasn't it whiskey from Eldenshire? So stick to the crater, the best thing in nature, for sinking your sorrows and raising your joys. And boys, I have wonder if lightning and thunder was made from the plunder of whiskey.
Hey, what a tune! I'll write that one in the card tomorrow.
Felt like I was in like.
With a bagpipe.
Yeah. It wasn't too
I love a good
My review, he managed to hold the tune
Oh, mate, I could
You know, using folk.
Now we need a bit of folk, Irish.
You know the ones that go. You know those ones.
Oh yeah. Makeshift pole thing turned into boiling water for teas. Oh yeah. We live in it.
Kumbaya.
Very, very cold tonight. So I've brought in a little rock from the fire that's nice and warm. There's a good little water bottle. Just keep it nice and cozy.